Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by validating prerequisites and taking quick first actions. Check Windows Update and install pending patches, because many casting fixes arrive via system updates. Make sure your PC and cast device share the same Wi-Fi band. Mismatched bands block discovery. Once done, open Control Panel Network and Sharing Center to enable network discovery and media streaming, so Windows advertises to the device. These steps open the path for troubleshooting rather than guessing at connectivity issues. Now you tackle the middle, more technical steps. Update Wi-Fi and graphics drivers in Device Manager so the protocols used for casting are current. Outdated drivers often break mirroring. Restart the Windows Media Player network sharing service and the function Discovery Provider host to refresh discovery. Next, check Windows firewall rules and allow incoming connections for casting-related services. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it briefly, because those route traffic away and prevent the device from seeing your PC. Finish by confirming connections and using fallback options. Reboot your router and run Windows Network Reset to clear stubborn configurations, then try rediscovery. If the cast device still won't appear, factory reset it from the manufacturer app, because internal state issues can block pairing. If casting remains unreliable, switch Wi-Fi bands or use a wired alternative like an HDMI adapter for urgent needs. One key troubleshooting tip: try another phone or laptop to isolate whether the problem is the PC or the cast device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.